So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob Montego. All right, so the last time I complained about the squirrel eating down my ackee. All right, squirrel ate off all my ackee, dropped them on the ground, waste them, and just keep picking and picking. Now that squirrel is no more. I don't need to say anything else about that. Uh, but there's another squirrel, look like some family of that same squirrel now, come back now. This time now is not me ackee. This time is me Neseberry. And I tell us a serious business. So let's go look at what the squirrel doing, you know. So, not the ackee tree. This is the ackee tree. Remember the ackee tree the last time? Ackee not in season now, so there's no more. But my Naseberry tree, as you can see, my Naseberry tree look very bossy and full of Naseberry. If I go up close, you can see Naseberry all over Naseberry full inside. You can see it. I do good business. But the squirrel them look like them do bad business, cause the squirrel now come back again. There you go. Look on the ground. See? Eat my Naseberry and drop it. And them not eat like bird, you know. I mean, bird, you understand when the bird eat Naseberry, them eat on them, pick on them, go back and then eat the same one and over till it done. Squirrel not do that. Squirrel just bite one piece like this and just dash away. It done. And him gone back for the next one because him thinks Naseberry there wagga wagga. See? Look. This one will lucky because I eat it almost half of it. So this not bad. But all the other rest of me growing and show you all over the place. Then bite the Naseberry, them, you know, go up in the tree. And then Naseberry, you know, it kind of dark on the ear so you can't see. Some of them with up on the tree with them bite up on it, on the tree in there. But I tell you something, I have a remedy. We worked the last time, but I didn't show you on camera. But no, I'm going to show you. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the remedy to these squirrels eating my thing. I have a fixer. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting to you the Excalibur 3.50. Fix all squirrel business. You see this? Yes. See? Take a good look. Yeah. Fix all squirrel business. Let me put it down on the ground so you can take a good profile of that. You see that? Yeah. Fire 10 rounds every 20 seconds. See? Yeah. And you want to see what the rounds them look like? Yeah. Fresh from yard. Them from Sawyer's Beach. See them? So I have the remedy for the squirrel. See, right now, I don't have no work to do, you know. Me in a corona quarantine. So I have all day to sit. And this is my seat right there, so. See? And I'm going to sit down right there, so. And wait for them. So. Box cover. Seat I brought down with me. Alright, so I'm going to sit right there, so. And wait. And see what's going to happen. Alright? Next time, I will give you the end of the story. You see? And Tory pop, I'll tell you the end of the story. Until then, you walk good and stay safe from corona and pray for me and the squirrel and his bird. Thank you. This is Bob Montego on Wake Up and Live.